in these, and Rabbit came to see what I was doing. She's, what are you doing, Mom? What are you doing? Are you making those things go round? Oh, I'm just gonna crawl across it. Rue, that's my shirt, okay? That's actually my sleeve. Oh no. Now Tigger's got my other sleeve. Piglet's like the only one being nice and not attacking me. She is dragging off a toy that's about half her size. Hey, what you doing, little cutie pie? What you doing, little cutie pie? Be nice. Be nice, good girl. That's a good girl, yeah. They're like little sharks right now. Their teeth are really sharp. And that's how they play with each other. And so they think they want to chew on me too, but we don't like that, huh? That's a Rabbit. And that's a Rue. There's a Piglet. And we're missing Tigger. Tigger, are you behind me? There you are. There you are. Why are my clothes so fun to chew on?